Humboldt Yacht Club. We're at another one of our fog races today. We've got a bit more wind and some sunshine, and a lot more boats. We've got Kurt and his Ruban. Looks like maybe 2 of the Holder 20s. Ed, MegaHertz. Looks like Garrett's down there, and Larry. So we're gonna have a full fleet. Oh, and there's somebody else coming out too. Maybe the J24 or Micah. So it should be good. We'll try to get as much filming in as possible, and enjoy the view.
I wanna take it all in. I'm falling. The cityscape by night. Wanna catch in my photos.
A bit chaos right before the start, and here it is. So here we are going past the waterfront of the city of Eureka, headed out to Mark 19. That's our turning point number 1. And today we're going to race up to Mark 14, which is our turning point 2, and then down to number 2, and then back home, back to the Coral Sea and the flags at the front of town. So it's a beautiful day, and we have finally back to our north winds that are our normal wind pattern, kind of northwest winds coming into Humboldt Bay. Although with the north winds it also is it's a little chillier. We've had a nice big bout of southern warm wet winds. It's been wet and very humid, and it's kind of changed all our sail racing because all the wind is coming from suddenly a different direction than normal. But we're back to our normal pattern here, and it's today's the first day, so we're off with a bang. We'll see how long the sunshine lasts. Often with this wind we'll get a thick wall of fog that'll come right over the top of the bay here, which is why we call it a fog race.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you, baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it.
Alright, so we're running down now to mark number 2, or it's technically navigation mark number 2. It's our turning point number 3 in our race. It's a traditional leeward mark, and if we had a little bit more crew, we'd be launching your spinnaker and racing home on that, but I think we're just gonna cruise with our small jib and our reef main today. There's no reason to be working that hard. Sailing, you're not supposed to be working hard. Thank you everybody for coming out for this fantastic race. I'm glad I reefed. I didn't have to worry about any of the strong gusts. And all hail MegaHertz for a fantastic race and being bold enough to launch your spinnaker in some strong wind.